In this video, I'll show you a few different solutions on how to fix your PowerBeats Pro in case only one of them is working, or maybe both are working, but one of them is louder than the other one. Okay, so let's start with the easiest solutions of all, and this is to simply reset your PowerBeats Pro. To do this, you first need to go on your iPhone or Android device. Go into the Bluetooth settings, so drag down from the top right corner, keep press on your Bluetooth icon here, keep press on this Bluetooth icon, Bluetooth settings, and from here, you're gonna need to find your PowerBeats Pro. I already removed them from my phone, so that's why I don't see them. Press on the eye icon beside them and select Forget Device. Then put them in the case, and over here, you see there is a button inside. Keep press this button during about 15 seconds until you see this LED light flashing red. Once you see the LED flashing red, you can release your finger and they will be in pairing mode. Let's wait almost 15 seconds here. Okay, red, I can release my finger, wait 2 seconds and it will simply flash white. It means they're in pairing mode. Take your phone and pair them again with your device. Hopefully this will delete your issue. Now, if this didn't work, another thing you can check is remove the ear tip here simply by pulling it out. Make sure there is no debris. Okay, after a while, you're gonna see some earwax accumulating here, or maybe some dust, stuff like that. Take a small toothbrush, a small brush, and remove everything that you see. Second thing that you need to do is to make sure that the mic of the PowerBeats Pro is clean as well. So you see there is a mic here, do the same thing, make sure nothing is blocking, and on the other side you see there's a small hole as well. Make sure nothing is blocking that hole too. Once you make sure that this is clean, put the ear tip back and test them again. Another reason why one of these may not work at all is that they're not charging. Over time, sweat builds up on these contacts on them, especially if you're using them at the gym or while exercising. So take some rubbing alcohol, take a Q-tip or maybe with your finger, dip your finger in that alcohol and then scrub these contacts very, very well. Make sure they're clean. You can do the same thing with the contacts inside of the case as well to make sure when you put them inside, they actually click in place. Sometimes they're not sitting correctly, okay? If you're simply putting like this, you think they're charging, but they're not. You absolutely need to push them, you see, and hear that click. So I hope one of these tricks worked for you. If you have another trick that worked, please write it in the comments down below. I'm sure it will be helpful for somebody. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.